So sorry for the notifications, but today we are in a new video. Okay, so anyway, wait, the plane crashed. Yeah, and we didn't even arrive at the at our location. Yeah, what happened right here? Did you just hear that? Something exploded. Oh yeah. That something did explode. Wait, where did that tree go? What do you mean? Oh, yeah, there was a tree. Hey, where did you go? This building has been ripped apart. Huh. Look at that big tower. Let's go. What? What happened to that tower? He didn't have time to react. Oh no, Clyde! Hi! Hey, let's go to the bridge. Oh, look. Oh, look. Hey, I have an idea. Let's go buy a Pininfarina car. They're exotic supercar. Oh, I know. Wait, where is it? Where is it now? I don't know. I think it got destroyed or something. Oh, yeah. Oh, well, we just have our own. This building. Yeah. Oh no. What happened right there? Big tower. Uh-oh. No! Oh no! Well, luckily I have my kite. I have flying. Oh yeah, me too. Oh. Oh look, a lot of birds. Well, never mind. The plane crashed again. Oh, wow. Oh, look. A car store. New car. Whee! Explode! Wait. Wait, why is there an earthquake? No. No. 4 years later. What the? Am I the only one? Nothing remaining right here. Anyway. Very fragile. Very fragile, right? Yes. Really fragile. Let's do something. Haha. Contain. Wait. Container. Container. Oh, that was really close. Yeah, right? It was really, really close. Oh no! Hey! Oh no. Who turned the lights off? Oh no. No! Oh! Huh? Why? Did I build a building? No, I did not. Oh no. Oh no. Whoa, really cool. Oh. What happened there? I don't know, but our plane crashed once again. Not the destroying it. I didn't really want to hear that. Almost every kite. Wow, kite! Oh no! Well, luckily I can fly. What the? Anyway, I'm going to. Oh, look, another store. Oh, what happened there? Who turned the lights? Stop! Oh no! Oh! Oh no, my crane! Originally, this was blue and green. Don't wanna hear that. Oh yes, that I'm gonna try. Oh yeah, I can do this one. Oh. Hey, that sign. What? This sign says wanted, but not specific detail. So, so this is the end of this video. Bye!